To install WindowBuilder in Eclipse, go to Help and select Install New Software. A dialog box will appear. Now select Add and select Archive. And select Zip File. Click Open and click OK. Now check WindowBuilder option. And select Next. Select Next and accept the term and conditions. Select Finish. Installation begins. Wait until it completes. And restart your Eclipse IDE. To create a new project, we need to perform the following steps. Go to File menu, select New and select Java Project. Give a Java project name, for example, Project Demo. And click Finish. Your Java project is ready to use. Now, we need to create Java application window. To create a new Java application window, we need to perform the following steps. Go to your project, select your package and right-click on it. Select New and select Other. Select WindowBuilder and select Swing Designer. After that, select Application Window. Give a Java application window name, for example, Project Frame 1. And click Finish. Now go to Design. Add button and name it. Save the file, and now run the file. Our project is working successfully. If this video useful to you, so please like, subscribe and share this video to your friends. If you have any questions in mind, please ask it in comment box.